You guys, let's do a get ready with me. I'm gonna try a new hair technique. As you can see, my hair just looks a little wild, so let's get to it. So normally I curl my hair with like a long 1-inch curling iron, but I saw a technique the other day on YouTube using a straightener. And so I saw the tip was to put the straightener down, not up. I'm gonna try the new technique and we'll see how it goes. So first things first, I'm going to split my hair into different sections and I will just secure this top piece. Make sure to use some type of heat protectant. So I have never done this technique before. So I saw you have to do it down. Okay, I feel like this side's gonna be harder because I am right-handed. I don't know how am I gonna do this? Oh my God. I need to try this again. Let's see, how did those people do it? Oh, that's not gonna work. Okay, so let me show you the technique on the rest of the hair. I think I got it down. I'm gonna start with this side this time so you guys can see. Brush out the hair. And then this is the technique. So I didn't go down this time because it feels too awkward doing my left hand. But if you do it up this way, I feel like it gets the same thing. So just clamp and then pull it through like that. This side we're gonna do down because it just, again, to do it facing up, it would be awkward because I'm right-handed. Clamp, pull it through. Okay, I feel like the final thing to do is just kind of like straighten these ends. This. Do a texturizing spray just right at the roots. And hair oil. I do like 2 pumps. My hair is very dry, so you may not need as much as I do. Smooth down these front babies.